Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a YouTube video to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to log into your account. So in the upper right corner, get started logging into your WordPress account, and if you do not already have one, create one, and after logging in successfully and opening up your website, you'll be greeted by this home page right here at the left side screen. You can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to get started. Basically guys, what we are looking for is this option right here, which is called media. You can get started either with posts or you can get started creating new posts, but what we're using is the media option right here. Using the media option, this is going to enable us to add media to our website. We can add images, documents, videos, doesn't matter. You can open it up and you can get started uploading videos. You can see you'll need a premium plan for this. So after you have gotten your premium plan, you can open up the video section right here and click the add button that's going to appear to enable you to add all the videos you want. As you can see guys, you can even get started with adding via URL. So what you can do guys is either download a YouTube video and then upload it to your website, or you can add it via URL. So copy and paste the URL right here, and after pasting your URL of the video you want to add, you can click upload, and this is going to enable you to edit your website successfully, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.